Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can annotate screenshots in ShareX. So let's get straight into it. So this is the best for quick notes before the file is even saved. So let's get started. So start a region capture right here, capture, and then region, just like that. And now you will see before you click and drag to capture, a toolbar will appear at the top of your screen. So now what you can do is choose some, here you have arrows, then you have some shapes also, where they are, line, text, you also have text here, text background, speech balloon, step, image, stickers, and so on, ellipse, ellipse region, also rectangular, and so on. So you can also, so now what you can do is basically click on one of the tools. So for example, let's say I will put into the text outline, and or maybe just an arrow like that. And what we can do now is go back here to the rectangular region, select it, and I drag through the whole page. And now when we save this, when it's saved, you will see here that this arrow which we added here are now on our screenshot basically. And now also what you can do, I think if we go back here to the region, just like that, if you select arrow right here at the very right side, you can select also the color of the arrow. So for example, let's say blue, and if I drag now, it will be blue, as you can see. So you can tweak a little bit this, that you get the perfect fit for your demandings. And this is basically it, how you can um, annotate screenshots. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next